If you have an Apple TV in your shopping cart right now, delete it. Stop what you are doing and do not spend a single cent. You are literally days away from making one of the worst tech investments of the entire year. The entire tech community is freaking out right now because the top secret Apple TV 2026 leaks just dropped. These leaks expose a product so ridiculously powerful that is going to make your current living room setup look like an absolute dinosaur. We're not talking about slightly faster menus or a marginally better screensaver here. We are talking about a total home invasion by Cupertino. People are constantly asking if they should buy the current Apple TV right now, and the answer is absolutely not. I'm going to explain exactly why. According to industry insiders, the physical hardware for the brand new Apple TV is already built. It is literally sitting in warehouses right now, gathering dust. So why hasn't Apple released it yet? Because they are waiting for their ultimate weapon to be ready. I'm talking about Apple Intelligence. Think about the current 2022 Apple TV for a second. It runs on an old A15 Bionic chip with a measly 4 gigabytes of RAM. That is far too weak to handle modern local AI processing. Apple is holding this new black box back until their massive next-generation Siri large language model is fully baked into tvOS. And I want to be clear, this is not the dumb Siri we all make fun of for setting the wrong timers. This is a highly advanced, localized AI brain designed to process natural language instantly and control your entire smart home. All of this happens without ever sending your private voice recordings out to the cloud. To make this localized processing happen, Mark Gurman recently noted that Apple is reportedly cramming the insane A17 Pro, or potentially even the upcoming A18 chip inside this tiny little box. This comes alongside a massive 8 gigabytes of RAM. Let that sink in for a second. They're taking the exact same TSMC 3nm powerhouse from their flagship iPhones and dropping it straight into your living room. Honestly, I will believe it when I see it, but the supply chain evidence is stacking up fast. This leads us to the absolute biggest rumor of all, the secret Apple TV gaming console. Analysts over at the ELEC have been tracking TSMC 3nm yields. When you combine that raw desktop-level processing power with hardware-accelerated ray tracing, Apple is quietly building a Trojan horse to completely take over your gaming life. You won't just be streaming movies anymore. You will be playing massive, high-budget AAA video games natively right on your television. If you have ever played Resident Evil on an iPhone, you know that thermal throttling ruins the experience after 20 minutes. But inside a TV box, there is no battery to overheat. There is massive thermal headroom. Imagine playing the latest big-name titles directly from a tiny black box that doesn't overheat and doesn't sound like a jet engine taking off. It completely replaces the need for a dedicated console if you are a casual gamer. Are you guys actually going to use this for massive AAA gaming, or are you just sticking to Netflix? Let me know down in the comments, because I am genuinely curious how many of you want an Apple console. But raw power means absolutely nothing if your internet connection is lagging behind. You could have an M4 Ultra chip in there, and it wouldn't matter if your stream is buffering. The leaks pouring out of Mac Attack reveal a brand new custom-built piece of silicon called the N1 networking chip. This completely changes the game for the Apple ecosystem. We're talking about fully integrated Wi-Fi 7 inside the Apple TV. That means zero buffering, instant 8K streaming readiness, and ultra-low latency for competitive cloud gaming. Add in Bluetooth 6.0 and your wireless controllers and AirPods are going to have a rock-solid, unbreakable connection. Shrimp Apple Pro has been hinting at this for months. This new N1 chip basically makes the Apple TV the fastest and most reliable smart home hub on the planet. Now we have to talk about the one thing that drives absolutely every single person crazy. I'm talking about losing that slippery little remote in the couch cushions. Apple is finally delivering the ultimate fix. Supply chain reports from DG Times strongly indicate the new Siri remote will include the exact same U2 ultra-wideband chip found in your iPhone. This means precision finding is finally coming. G to your TV remote. The next time it vanishes into the void of your living room, you just open the Find My app on your iPhone. A giant glowing arrow on your screen will guide you exactly to where it is hiding. This feature alone is a massive quality of life upgrade that tech fans have been begging for since the very first Siri remote launched. So with flagship iPhone-level chips, Wi-Fi 7, triple the gaming capabilities, and an on-device Apple Intelligence Brain, how much is this going to cost you? Prepare to have your mind completely blown. Ming-Chi Kuo and several top analysts are pointing to a completely disruptive starting price of just $99. Wait, really? How is that even mathematically possible for Apple? Well, Ross Young has pointed out that display tech isn't an issue here. Apple is keeping the exact same external black plastic design to save millions on manufacturing and tooling costs. By reusing the chassis, they can pack all the budget into those crazy internal specs without raising the price. Is the classic Apple tax reversed? They are heavily subsidizing the hardware because they want to completely obliterate Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, and Google TV. They want an Apple Intelligence Hub in every single living room on the planet. At $99, they're absolutely going to get it. Buying an Apple TV today means buying a device that is already dead in the water. It cannot be your daily driver for the AI future. You must hold the line and wait for the Apple TV 2026. It is going to fundamentally redefine what a streaming box can actually do and seamlessly integrate your entire digital life. My honest opinion, this is the smartest move Apple has made in a decade. They aren't just selling a streamer. They're selling the brain of your future home at a price that makes the competition look overpriced and underpowered. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.